Hey, good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with the MLive Morning Weather Update. We've been running a little low budget on Friday and today because the software that we use says they have a problem. So we're old school, I call it. Instead of Eric Clapton and being slow hand, I have to be Mark Torregrossa and steady hand. So let's get started. And there's some benefits to old school, as I can use the pencil. So here's the churning storm center, and ahead of it, here's the area of rain. And, it kind of looks a little disjointed right now. And so my headline there was, the rain will be slow to move in today. And many of us in the southeastern two-thirds of the state get to wait until late afternoon or even evening. But here's the rainfall right now. That's the radar. Hey, good morning, Margaret Parker and Lapeer and Michael Miller. Thanks for watching. Okay, so now this is the forecasted radar. This is imaginary, so to speak. This is modeled, but actually quite accurate. So this is noon. All right, so you're still looking dry. Aside from some sprinkles or something, you're still looking dry. Saginaw and Flint and Detroit, Ann Arbor, Lansing, Jackson, probably Kalamazoo. Maybe some light rain starting to move into the, let's call it the west central part of the state. We go to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Southwest corner, you're going to start to get into some rain, probably Grand Rapids to Kalamazoo in mid-afternoon. But still look at Detroit and Ann Arbor and Flint and Saginaw on the thumb. You're still dry. And note the northern edge of this. Traverse City, you might look like rain all day and stay out of it until probably sometime in the late afternoon you will get into it. Michael Johnson, good morning, Grand Haven. What a lovely city there. Hello, Susan Wallace. All right, so now we're at 6 o'clock this evening, and the rain has started to fill in. So I would say second half of the afternoon, most of us get into the rain. That's between 3 and 6, and then we go to 8 o'clock tonight, and it's filled in. There's showers, there's thunderstorms, probably not severe because the rain and clouds all day have kept the instability down. So just not a situation where we get severe weather. You can get some rumbles of thunder, flashes of lightning. You can get some heavy downpours. Now we're through the middle of the night tonight, and it's still raining. We're at 5 tomorrow morning, 6 tomorrow morning, and still showers around from Muskegon to Grand Rapids to Alma to Bay City, southward. Traverse City, Houghton Lake, and northward, dry. Now we're at noon tomorrow, and you're still getting some occasional showers in the southeast quarter of the state, Saginaw, Bay City, the thumb, Lansing, Jackson, Detroit area. Maybe drying out sometime in the morning tomorrow at Grand Rapids. And as we go through the afternoon, this is 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. As we go into the afternoon, the showers will become more spotty, but the Detroit and Ann Arbor areas will be the last to get rid of some showers. Hey, I like that, Ryan Lynch. Mark Socagrossa. And then we go into Wednesday, and it's dry. So rain's slow to move in. You do have some hours today to get something done, even though it looks like rain, especially if you're in the southeast quarter of the state. But then after that, it turns quite wet. This is a total rainfall off of that same model. Let's go to 5 o'clock tonight, this evening. And that shows you where rain will hold off, So Ann Arbor and Detroit and Saginaw and Bay City and Midland and Lansing and Jackson and Grand Rapids might not even have any rain by 5 o'clock. That's my theory on it may be moving slower than what you think it will. Hey, Harv Sievers, thanks for watching. And Amanda Bolt Hansen. Now, midnight, and it started to pile up. Now, I'm not sure about this, 5 inches, But this is something I'll be watching. Is there a heavy burst of rain? And if there is, it's in the southwest part of the state. But there's an inch swath coming across I-94. And we're still raining through the night, so we can't get a total rainfall until we get to tomorrow afternoon, 5 o'clock. And here it is. It's showing, large areas of 1 to 2 inches. And it's showing a crazy amount right here, which this model is pretty good. So we'll have to keep an eye on something excessive southwest corner. All right, what about the rest of the week? Hey, Rick Vasquez from Muskegon. Good morning. Okay, so this takes us out farther. This is tomorrow morning, afternoon, tomorrow afternoon into evening, so the rain's over. Wednesday, a dry day. Wednesday, probably your best day if you want to get something done outside, dry. This is Wednesday night. This is Thursday. This is Thursday morning into early afternoon, and this model's been consistent on this timing and this idea. I think it could move up 6 hours or down 6 hours slower, but we're talking Thursday. There's a round of thunderstorms coming through along a cold front. This is Thursday afternoon into evening. So I'd say Thursday, late morning into early afternoon, northwest half of the state, and then it would say in the afternoon into evening in the southeast half of the state. And it shoots on out. Then we're at Friday, cooler behind the cold front. Then the warming trend mounts. And this is Saturday, and we're starting to warm up. And right now the weekend looks very, very summery. This is Sunday, very, very summery. Remember, I look at these upper level temperatures right here. Good morning, Kathy Farrell Jones, Auburn Hills. I look at like a plus 24 Celsius at 5,000 feet up. That's usually in the 90s. And then here's a plus 22 and a plus 20. So we're flirting with and making it to 90 or more on Sunday, depending on the wind direction. Look at the plus 24 building in. So this is how us meteorologists see the upper level heat starting to shift in. Next Monday looks quite hot. But note that we're still with the storm track just across the northeast and the UP. So as these come in, they can knock the heat back this way. So we're at the time of the year there. That's August 22nd. Wah, 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 wah. August almost gone when we look out 10 days. Okay, so the scenario is rain this afternoon, tonight, tomorrow morning, nice on Wednesday, a round of showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, nice on Friday, and then heating up on the weekend, and next week probably a round of storms at some point in the heat. Here are the high temperature forecasts. So today, southern half 75 to maybe 78. Northern 70 degrees. Now this is tomorrow. Remember, reverse. Clouds hang on here, so we get low 70s, kind of a fallish day in the southeast half of the state. And in the northwest half, where you break into sunshine, like maybe Grand Rapids, you get to 77. Traverse City, you get to a comfortable 75. Wednesday pops up to feeling like summer, about 80 degrees. Thursday has that cold front coming through, so these cooler temperatures are reflected by rain showers during the heat of the day and warm and humid ahead of it. And then Friday looks beautiful. Saturday, low 80s. Sunday, upper 80s to near 90. Monday, maybe low 90s in places. Tuesday and Wednesday, and no. All right, so, and one last thing. 6 to 10 day temperature forecast. August 19th, 23rd. Hot. And they forecast dry. Excuse me. 8 to 14 day, August 21st to 27th. and they forecast leaning toward drier than normal. So it looks like after these two rains, the rain's going to slow down some, and summer will be back. It's not done, folks. We could have more summer in September than we did in August, and it's not a strange deal anymore. Nicole, is there any severe weather for Quincy or Coldwater tonight? No, probably not. I don't think so. I'll look at that closer, but just the overall scenario doesn't say severe weather. There's your weather update from MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Have yourselves a great Monday.